Seeing Nathalie leave her seat to take a call, Lila looked back and noticed Nathalie coughing violently before collapsing from exhaustion. And then she smiled wickedly. But why did she do that? Many people thought it was an animation mistake, especially when Lila showed concern for Nathalie's health immediately afterward. However, they all forgot that Lila is really good at hiding her emotions. You see, Lila's main objective throughout Season 5 is to become the person Gabriel values the most. After witnessing Nathalie's physical decline and her weakening loyalty to Gabriel, she realized that Nathalie is no longer a major threat to her plan, and her strategy is unfolding exactly as she intended.